Want to make your garden smell heavenly? Welcome to the world of fragrant shrubs, nature's own aromatic powerhouses that can transform any garden into a sensory delight. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 fragrant shrubs that are perfect for your garden. Stay tuned to learn about the top 5 fragrant shrubs for your garden. First on our list, we have the lilacs. These flowering shrubs are known for their intoxicating sweet fragrance. They require full sun and well-drained soil for optimal growth. So, if you are looking for a classic and sweet smell, lilacs are the way to go. Next up, we have the daphnes. This fragrant shrub is known for its unique citrusy aroma and vibrant pink blooms. Daphnes thrive in well-drained soil and partial shade, making them a breeze to care for. Daphnes certainly add an exotic touch to your garden with their citrusy scent. Third on our list, the beautiful gardenias. Known for their creamy white blossoms and exotic fragrance, they're a standout in any scented garden. Thriving in warm climates, make sure they get plenty of sunlight and water. The gardenias, with their intoxicating smell, will surely transport you to a tropical paradise. Next, we present to you the sarcococca. This evergreen shrub offers year-round beauty and a unique, sweet and spicy fragrance. With its shade-loving nature and minimal care requirements, it's a perfect addition to any garden. The sarcococca, also known as sweetbox, lives up to its name with its sweet and spicy fragrance. Last but not least, the Korean spice viburnum. This enchanting shrub boasts clusters of pinkish-white flowers, emitting a spicy, warm fragrance that's truly one of a kind. Thriving in full sun to part shade, it's a low-maintenance delight for any garden. The Korean spice viburnum, with its spicy and warm fragrance, will surely add a unique touch to your garden. So, there you have it, the top 5 fragrant shrubs for your garden. From the vibrant lilacs to the intoxicating gardenias, and the unique scent of the Korean spice viburnum. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.